Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am sharing how to connect your wireless Beats Studio 3 to your Mac. So let's begin. Firstly, we need to switch on the Beats by pressing this button for 5 seconds. This white light shows that the beat is on. Now click on the apple on the top left corner of your screen. Hit System Preference. Click on Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. In Device section, you can find your Beats name displaying. Click on Connect to pair with it. And here you go, your Beats is connected to your Mac. Oops, the battery of my Beats is low, so I'm switching it off. So as soon as I switched off my Beats, it gets disconnected. Once you are done with pairing of your devices, you can close the window by clicking on this red cross. Hope this helps someone. Thanks for watching.